Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Volkswagen. Connecting your smartphone to your Volkswagen enhances your driving experience by integrating your device with the car's infotainment system. You can use either Bluetooth for basic functions or App Connect for a richer experience. This allows you to safely access navigation, stream your favorite music, and manage calls, keeping your focus on the road ahead. To pair your phone via Bluetooth, first ensure your Volkswagen is on and in park. On your phone, enable Bluetooth in your settings. Then, on your car's infotainment screen, navigate to the Phone or Setup menu. Select Search for devices and choose VWBT from your phone's list. Confirm the matching 4-digit PIN on both devices to complete the connection, allowing hands-free calls and audio streaming. For a more integrated experience, Volkswagen's App Connect offers Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Simply plug your smartphone into the USB port or connect wirelessly if your vehicle supports it. On the infotainment screen, select App Connect and then choose your preferred system. This mirrors your phone's compatible apps, providing access to navigation, messaging, and music directly on your car's display, minimizing distractions while driving. If you encounter connection issues, try these helpful tips. First, ensure both your smartphone and your Volkswagen's infotainment system have the latest software updates. Sometimes, simply restarting both devices can resolve minor glitches. If problems persist, delete any existing Bluetooth or App Connect pairings from both your phone and car, then attempt a fresh connection. Always verify your phone's compatibility with your vehicle's system for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.